Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up magnification shortcut uh, while using our both volume up and down buttons in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To set up this shortcut, we need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility options, and in Advanced Settings menu we have our volume up and down buttons. Right now we have magnifier here. Let's turn it off and let's turn on magnification. And let's see if it's working. So volume up and down for 3 seconds. Let's see if it's working. Hold on. Yes, it's working, as you can see. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.